Today we are going to walk you through everything you need to know about the NutriMill Artiste. We're going to be unboxing, going through all the parts, how to use it, and how to maintain your machine. Here's the NutriMill Artiste fresh out of the box. Let's go over everything you should find inside. First, you should have a dough hook, your metal whip drive, 2 wire whip, the Artiste main power base, your 6.5 quart bowl with a lid. Also included will be your drive shaft. You are also going to find the NutriMill Artiste user guide. Please look over this before using your machine because it has great information. Let's go over some of the features of the NutriMill Artiste Mixer. This is the main base of your NutriMill Artiste, which has a 500 watt motor. This is going to be your 6.5 quart bowl. With these two combined, it can handle up to 8 pounds of dough. On the front of your machine, you're going to notice your speed control knob. This is going to have a pulse feature as well as 6 different speeds. On the back of your unit, you're going to notice your power cord with a built-in power cord storage area. The Artiste is a bottom drive mixer, meaning your power is coming from right here. Because of this, your bowl is going to sit on top of it and you're going to turn it counterclockwise to lock in. Now let's take a look at the included attachments with your Artiste mixer. You're going to have 2 wire whips. These are for lighter tasks like whipping up meringue, whipping egg whites, shredding chicken, or even mixing together dry ingredients. This is going to be your metal whip drive. This is what you're going to attach your nice wire whips to, and it's going to secure it to your mixing bowl. This is your dough hook. This is what you're going to use for your bread doughs for mixing and kneading, whether it's heavy or light, and your cookie dough. Let's go over how to assemble your NutriMill Artiste mixer. First, we're going to take our 6.5 quart bowl and our drive shaft. We're going to take our drive shaft, insert it through the bottom, aligning the top tabs of the drive shaft with the 2 spaces here on your center column. Once it's in, we're going to turn our drive shaft clockwise until firmly secured. Next, we're going to take our bowl, paying attention to our drive shaft and connecting it to the bottom drive of our Artiste mixer. Once it sits down, we're going to turn it counterclockwise to lock the bowl in. Next, we have our dough hook. To place your dough hook, we are going to align this space with the 2 tabs with the tabs on our drive shaft. Next, we're going to take our metal whip drive and our wire whips. We're going to connect our wire whips to this metal whip drive by aligning the spire on the metal whip drive to the corresponding hole on our wire whip. You should hear a click when it's secure. We're going to align the bottom of our metal whip drive with our drive shaft and place down until properly seated. Your lid comes in 2 pieces, the main body of the lid and the sliding window. In order to connect these two, we're going to find our tab right here and connect that corresponding piece, the sliding window, and turn until they're both connected securely. To attach the lid to your 6.5 quart bowl, we're going to locate our 4 tabs on the lid and on the bowl. We are then going to place it accordingly and turn counterclockwise until secure. We are now going to go over how to properly knead in your Artiste mixer using the standard dough hook. These are the speeds you should look out for. When combining the ingredients of your dough, place on speed 2. Once the ingredients are incorporated and combined, place your speed on 3 or 4, depending on the weight of your dough. The typical kneading time for the Artiste mixer is around 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the size of your dough. You will know that the dough is properly kneaded when it starts to pull away from the sides of your bowl and it is a smooth, slightly tacky texture. To keep all of your ingredients contained in the bowl during the mixing and kneading process in your Artiste mixer, please place the lid on, spinning counterclockwise. You can easily add ingredients to the inside of your mixing bowl during the mixing process using the sliding window on your lid. When using your wire whips, you're most likely going to be whipping cream, making butter, or meringue. For these, you're going to need a high speed, roughly 4 to 6. For thin pourable batters, please use speeds 2 to 4. Getting started with your Artiste mixer, please make sure that the base is on a flat surface, secured down using its suction feet. We are then going to plug our machine into an outlet and turn our knob to start the operation process. Keeping your Artiste clean is super simple. Here's what you need to know about each part. To start, please make sure that your machine is unplugged before cleaning. Before washing your bowl, please make sure that the drive shaft has been removed. To do that, we are going to turn these tabs counterclockwise. Align the 2 tabs on top of your drive shaft with the openings in the center column and pull down. The drive shaft is hand wash only. Do not put this in the dishwasher. The 6.5 quart mixing bowl is dishwasher safe. Reminder, before putting it in, make sure that the drive shaft is removed. This can go on any rack in your dishwasher. The bowl lid is also dishwasher safe. However, this needs to go on the top rack of your dishwasher to avoid warping. The wire whips are dishwasher safe and can go on any rack in your dishwasher. The dough hook is hand wash only. Please wash in warm soapy water and dry completely after use. The metal whip drive is hand wash only. Please wash gently and dry well. The Artiste base can be wiped down with a damp cloth. Please do not use abrasive chemicals or submerge in water. An area of the Artiste that gets overlooked while cleaning is your drive socket area. Please ensure that any flour residue or other ingredients are cleaned out of the drive socket before your next use. You can clean your drive socket using a cotton swab. When storing your Artiste mixer, there is a built-in cord garage for your cord. To use this, we're going to take our cord and slightly feed it into the cord garage. Once the entire cord is in the cord garage, there is a little tab on your mixer that'll hold the power cable. Your Artiste mixer is going to become not only your favorite, but your go-to machine in the kitchen.